I want to retain all rights. I don't want to waive any rights.
And that's not really how it works.
Welcome back to the Rockingham County series. In this video, we dive into the motion for a change of venue filed by Mike's attorney and heard on April 5th, 2021. This is essentially telling the court that they are breaking the law and that you need to go to a different court to get a fair hearing. But, and here is the kicker, the current court gets to decide whether or not it is breaking the law and if they are going to let you out from under their thumb. I'm sure you can guess how this is going to go. Mike was again forced into court without his assistive devices or prosthetics. Despite meeting the NC precedent for the burden of proof, the judge ruled against Mike, continuing a disturbing pattern of bias and prejudice in Rockingham County. Let's break down the key points of this motion and the shocking judicial behavior we witnessed. Mike's attorney, Graham Holt, filed a motion to transfer the case to another county, citing NCGS 15A-957 and 15A-958. The argument was simple. There was so much prejudice against Mike in Rockingham County that a fair and impartial trial was impossible. The motion highlighted how pretrial information and local loyalties to the police had polluted the jury pool. The Rockingham Now article from September 22, 2020, played a significant role in this. The article detailed 2 days of public protest and violence against Mike in retaliation to his one-man protest against police brutality. Please check out video 4 of this series for that story. Rockingham Now's headline reads, "Leave our town. Locals tell YouTube activist BlindJustice they've had enough." This title alone shows the deep-seated bias in the community. The article mentioned how residents from various towns in Rockingham County came to Madison to express their disdain for Mike. The motion referenced cases like State versus Jarrett and State versus Moore, demonstrating that the prejudice in Rockingham County was akin to those in small, rural, closely knit communities where fair trials are nearly impossible due to pervasive bias. The article quoted several locals, including an irate lineman from Stoneville. "Local people care about our law enforcement, and our community's not going to put up with that. Enough is enough. We're not playing anymore." The article described how the chief of police, Jason White, acknowledged community-wide opposition to Mike's presence. Before the protests, back in July 2020, Chief White or his officers, possibly Clayton Doss, solicited signatures from local businesses to ban Mike from their premises, most of which Mike had never even set foot in. This state action violated Mike's constitutional rights and further demonstrated the lengths the community would go to silence him. Despite the overwhelming evidence of community bias in the legal precedent supporting a change of venue, the judge ruled against Mike. The judge's erratic behavior during the hearing, forgetting who made which argument, and ultimately regurgitating the prosecution's points, was appalling. As of July 2024, over 4 years later, this case is still ongoing. The prejudice and bias in Rockingham County continue to affect Mike's right to a fair trial. This isn't just about one man's fight, it's about exposing the systemic corruption and ensuring justice for all. Stay tuned for more videos in this series as we continue to uncover the truth and fight for justice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, make sure to check them out to get the full context. Your support is crucial in spreading awareness. Thank you for standing with us.
Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Te opresso liber.